Why bear with me like Whitney? Life is a joke, life is a video game, life is a meme. Yeah, man. I'm shaking right now because of the water. I'm in nature, my guy. Hope you see that. And the sun too. And I got my dudes. You know what I'm saying? We're out here and we're doing that inner work. And right now, I can't explain how I really feel. It's just a lot of unconditional love. A lot of positive energy. A lot of high vibrations. I'm shaking, like I'm literally shaking because of the cold. But the cold is my teacher. I've learned to coexist with nature and get into the deepest parts of the brain to be the best of myself and to inspire other people to be their best version of themselves. So one thing that inspired me to get into nature is I feel home. I feel free from limitations, because what I understand when you are in nature is nothing can stop you but yourself. The world out there is filled with bad vibes, and we want to channel, we want to shift, we want to understand the universe. And to understand the universe, you have to look within. And nature decodes what's within you, because we are one. And it's beautiful. There's nothing like being with your family. There's nothing like unconditional love. There's nothing like being happy, being who you always wanted to be in life, you know, and enjoying yourself while you are still alive, while you are still in this physical body. Because the body is the spaceship. You have to use the body to fly. And when I say you can fly, I'm not talking about growing wings on your back, and I'm talking about your soul. Your soul takes flight and it enjoys being within your body, because the body is just a host. But I just want to say, let's get into nature. Take your shoes, take your socks off, and walk on the ground, on the soil, on the grass. Take your shirt off, let the sun penetrate your skin, Look at the sun. Go to the beach, go to the lake, go to the river. Make sure you connect with nature. You open doors for God. You open doors for blessings in your life. And you become the best version of yourself. The fear goes away. The ego dissipates. And you love completely. So, White Bear, we me like Whitney. Life is a joke, life is a video game, life is a meme. And death is a beautiful thing. When someone dies in your life, don't forget, it's not a bad thing. Signing out.